Michelin Pilot Sport 5 versus the Toyo Proxes Comfort. It's a clash across segments. A UHP legend versus a comfort-focused contender. The Michelin Pilot Sport 5 brings razor-sharp performance and grip, while the Toyo Proxes Comfort counters with smoothness and quiet refinement. And yet, things are a lot closer than anyone expected. Let's look at the details. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the 2025 Auto-Built Summer Tyre Test. In wet, Michelin stops 4.3 meters earlier than Toyo, resulting in a 9% shorter wet braking distance. It also corners 1.4 km per hour faster in wet handling, giving it a 2% speed advantage through curves. In aquaplaning, Michelin holds on to a 0.6 km higher slipping speed, which translates to a 1% improvement in water evacuation. In summary, Michelin clearly dominates in wet conditions across all metrics, braking, handling, and aquaplaning resistance. When it comes to dry, Michelin stops just 0.5 meters shorter in dry braking, giving it a 1% edge. In dry handling, it leads by 1.5 km per hour, again showing just a 1% advantage. We were generally surprised to see how closely the Toyo Proxes Comfort matched the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 in dry conditions, despite being just a touring tyre. When it comes to wear, this is where the game changes. Michelin outlasts Toyo by a massive 14,000 km, the biggest difference in the entire test, translating to a commanding 27% advantage in mileage. When it comes to subjective comfort, Michelin is rated 0.7 points higher, giving it a 3.5% improvement. However, Toyo is 1.9 decibel quieter in exterior noise, making it about 3% quieter. The Proxes Comfort also had a 0.35 lower rolling resistance coefficient value, offering a 4% advantage in fuel efficiency. When it comes to pricing, the Toyo Proxes Comfort is 48% more affordable than the Michelin Pilot Sport 5. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 is the clear dominant winner. Better in wet, better in dry, more durable and more refined. That said, the Toyo Proxes Comfort surprised me. It nearly matches Michelin in dry grip, rides quieter, rolls easier, and costs nearly half as much.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.